Okay, so this one says a carnival game involving striking a lever that forces a weight up a tube. If the weight reaches 20 feet to ring the bell, the contestant wins a prize. The equation given gives the height of the weight if the initial velocity is 32 feet per second. So anytime I see an equation in a word problem like this, I'm going to go over to Desmos and I'm going to graph that equation. Okay, so when you graph it, you might see that parts of your parabola are not in your Desmos window, and if that's the case, you just want to kind of pull it down until you can see it in your window, and this is going to be very hard to read, so you're going to want to come in and zoom in a little bit, and you can see right now, it looks like it's at 35, but I'm going to zoom in just to make sure, and when we click on the equation, it actually puts the important parts that I'm looking for, the dots, on here for me. So let's take a look at the equation, or the questions. This is find the maximum height of the weight. So the maximum height, imagine this is where it goes up, like you hit the little game, and the ball goes up, and then the ball comes back down. So the maximum height would be 35, so our answer here would be 35. So find the maximum height of the weight. We did that by finding the maximum of this parabola, which was 35 feet, and then will a prize be won? Looking back at my problem, it says if the weight reaches 20 feet to ring the bell, the contestant wins a prize, and we know that they went 35 feet. So will a prize be won? Yes, they reached 20 feet.